This video will help you if Windows shows the CRClient.dll was not found or DLL missing error. If programs fail to open because of this, stay with me because I will explain a simple way to fix it. Are you also facing this problem where CRClient.dll is missing and your app cannot start? This usually happens when a file is accidentally deleted, corrupted, or a program installation did not complete properly. Many people get frustrated because even after reinstalling the app, the error keeps coming back. You may see many solutions online, but most of them are complicated. They tell you to manually copy DLL files, edit system folders, or run long commands that are hard to follow. When I faced this problem, those methods wasted my time. But I fixed it with one simple, secret trick that restores CRClient.dll and allows programs to run normally again. If you want me to make a full step-by-step tutorial showing this easy trick, just comment down below. I will guide you clearly, so anyone can follow it without confusion or risk. And for more simple Windows fixes like this, stay connected with my channel errorSearches because I always share easy solutions anyone can use to solve problems fast and safely.